Finally. Let me go wash the rice. Good. When the birds ring. Today's. Oh, I'm gonna put up Ali Nadia. Now I need to put up my sister picture. I'm covered. Marla, I need to put up my sister picture. Did Daniel like the... Yes. He like it. Yeah. She make extra peas because you were nervous. Yes. Nova, hi. Nova Graham. All right. I never taste the peas, you know. To see if the... Really nervous body. Nah lie. I don't eat strange things, so... I just a cook. Oh, they ask me I cook some chicken. Settle chicken from Ireland. Some chicken. Some nice little pineapple pan. We need to end the live for because I show the pint and then never end. As I'm sure it's supposed to be in class. I go play with that go over. How much go over? Still good. It's a keen and love a StreamYard. Nova, I am just here, cook little. Today was Wednesday, the rice and peas, Nova. Okay, cool, I'm glad he did. Yeah, he did, man. Oh, yes, this is nice. He did. Remember the extra peas now, yeah, but they do it because remember we never know if the kids are going to eat it. Alicia, eat it after Marlon. Not some going to kill them with it. But him say he would want it. He wants it again. Because if it's healthier, he would rather it. I want to man it's healthy. I didn't say it's healthy. If you don't like white rice, that's why I say me cook. I will cook rice and peas after Marlon. I don't like plain rice. I say just white and it's just so bland and plain and crazy. What can he not? What can he just say it like that? It's plain rice. What do you expect? Yes, sir. Yes, I put the chicken on that and then that's it and then shut down this live. I'm going to watch a show the rats are telling about. Call my sister. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh. Where's that first one? I don't want it to be dark, so I refused. I did not put anything in it for it to be dark. Let me taste it, Marlon. Done. Make it calm down and